Hi! Welcome to my class. Our topic for today is about multiplication using finger math strategy. Most of us will not be able to carry on the multiplication problems without the multiplication chart. It's because it was very easy looking at the chart. Just look on the column and you can see right away the answers. For the table of 1, just look at the top of the chart and locate number 1 and move down. So it is only counting on. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that is the multiplication table of 1. For multiplication table of 2, it's just keep counting. For the multiplication table of 2, just locate number 2 on top of the chart and move down. Then keep counting by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. And that is the multiplication table of 2. That is the easiest way for skip counting. But what about the table of 3? You can use the finger math. Just locate on your fingers the numbers between each bones of your finger. And you can work on the table of 3. For the table of 4, just extend the numbers up to your palms and you can right away solve for the multiplication table of 4. Then, just keep counting by 5 as you can see on the figure. For the table of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. It will be easy. Your fingers will be full of numbers if you're going to work on the table of 6 using that strategy. Let me teach you another way using arrays. So, 1 set of 6 is equal to 6. 2 sets of 6 is equal to 12, or 6 times 2 is equal to 12, or you can use the repeated addition. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 3 sets of 6 is equal to 18, as you can count. Or 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Or you can use the repeated addition again. 6 plus 6 plus 6, it will become 18, right? Now let us work on 4 sets of 6. 6 times 4 is 24. You really need a lot of patience to count. Or you can use the repeated addition. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 24. More patience is needed because we're going to work on the 5 sets of 6. You need to count it, right? So, 6 times 5 is equal to 30. Or do the repeated addition. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. That is equal to 30. Repeat 6 5 times. To do the shortcut, do the table of 5 and locate your 6th finger. That is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That is 6 times 5 is equal to 30. This is another way to do it easily. Now you can remember easily the table of 6 up to 5. Look, 6 times 1 is equal to 6. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. 6 times 3 is equal to 18. 6 times 4 is 24. And 6 times 5 is 30. If you're going to repeat it over and over, you can master the table of 6. Let us use finger math on higher numbers. We're going to use both fingers. Put number 6 on your pinky. Number 7 on your ring fingers. Number 8 on your middle fingers. 9 on your point fingers. And 10 on your thumbs. Now let us connect the 2 pinkies. The 2 connected fingers and below will count as 10. So, 6 times 6, the 2 connected fingers, it is 10, 20. The fingers above the connection of the two pinkies will count as 1. We have 4 fingers on the left and 4 fingers on the right above the connection. So we're going to multiply it. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Let us add what we have done from the connection up to the fingers above the connection. It is 20 plus 16 is 36. Therefore, 6 times 6 is 36. Did you get it? Let's have another example. Now let us connect the pinky and the ring finger. That represents 6 times 7. So, the finger below of the connection, including the connection, is by 10. 10, 20, 30, as you can see from the figure. And the fingers above the connection will count as 1. So, we have 4 fingers on the left and 3 fingers on the right above the connection. That is, 3 times 4 is 12, or 4 times 3 is 12. Now, let us add from the connection and below and above the connection. 12 plus 30 is equal to 42. Therefore, 6 times 7 is 42. Let's work on another example and I want you to do it with me. Connect your pinky and the middle finger. So, that means it is 6 times 8. So, let us count the connection from the connection and below. It is 10 in each finger, so 10, 20, 30, 40. Then, count the fingers above the connection. 4 and 2, so 4 times 2 is equal to 8. I want you to add the fingers above the connection and from the connection and below. So that is 8 plus 40 is equal to 48. Therefore, 6 times 8 is 48. Did you practice it by yourself? Is your answer the same as mine? Let's work on the pinky and the point finger connection. That is 6 times 9. So, by 10 again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Did you get it? The fingers from the connection and below is 50. Now, above the connection, it is 4 and 1 only. So, 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Let us add the fingers from the connection and below, which is 50, and the fingers above the connection, which is 4. 50 plus 4 is equal to 54. Therefore, 6 times 9 is equal to 54. It's easy. What about the pinky and the thumb finger? If you're going to connect it, let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The fingers from the connection and below is 60. What about the fingers above the connection? It is 4 and 0. So, 4 times 0 is 0. If you're going to add, 60 plus 0 is 60. Therefore, 6 times 10 is 60. As you can see from the table of 10, using your fingers, each finger will represent 10 counts. So, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. You're done with the table of 10. In the table of 9, it is very easy. Look at the pattern. The red numbers, from the top to the bottom, it is counting on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the blue numbers, it is also counting on, but start below, going to the top. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you can see the table of 9. It is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Just remember the pattern and you can do it very well. Math is very easy. Till next lesson, Bye-bye!